Is this the end of the security guard in 2026? Technology is advancing fast, budgets are tightening, and more companies are asking one question. Do we still need guards? Cameras don't sleep, AI doesn't get tired, access control doesn't call in sick. So where does this leave you? Welcome to the Security Guide. This channel exists to give security professionals real information and real direction in an industry that's changing fast. Today, we're talking honestly about the future of security. What's disappearing? What's changing? And what still matters in 2026? Stay till the end because we're answering the real question every security guard is thinking about. The fear around technology. Everywhere you look, technology is replacing manual work. Sites are installing CCTV systems, biometric access, AI monitoring, remote control rooms. From the outset, it looks like guards are slowly being pushed out. And for some roles, that fear isn't completely wrong. What technology can and can't replace? Technology is powerful. It can watch, record, alert, but it can't make judgment calls, de-escalate conflict, respond to unpredictable human behavior, take responsibility when something goes wrong. When a serious incident happens, a camera doesn't answer the question, a person does. That's why guards haven't disappeared. The real threat to guards isn't technology, isn't stagnation. Guards who don't upgrade their skills, guards who don't understand the system, and guards who don't take professionalism seriously. Those guards become replaceable, not by machines, but by better guards. How the role of the guard is changing. Security is no longer just about standing and watching. In 2026, security is more about risk management, understanding technology, communicating clearly, preventing problems before they escalate. The role is changing, but that doesn't mean it's ending. It means the standards is rising. Who survives in 2026? The guards who survive are not the loudest. They are not the ones who complain. They are reliable, skilled, tech-aware, professional, trusted, and add value beyond presence. You don't get replaced, you get relied on. The real questions guards should be asking. The question isn't, will guards still exist? The real question is, will I still be relevant? Because the future belongs to guards who adapt, learn, and take control of their careers. Is this the end of the security guard? No, it's the end of unskilled, unprepared, and replaceable guards. The guards who grow, evolve, and stay professional won't disappear. They'll become more important than ever. You've been watching the Security Guide. Stay relevant, stay sharp, and take control of your future.